Did you know that there are quite a number of Filipinos with Indian blood? These men and women are successful in their respective fields and are proud of their dual heritage. In this episode of Filipinian Tales, allow me to tell you about all of them, all Filipinian in their own right. India has greatly influenced the many different cultures of the Philippines through the Indianized kingdom of the Hindu Majapahit. For at least 2 millennia before the arrival of the Spanish, Philippines was ruled by Hindu kings called Rajas and Pramukhas. This was just the beginning of the many connections India has with the Philippines. Today, I will be introducing you to famous Filipino Indians who made both the countries proud of their achievements in their chosen fields. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do me a favor and click the subscribe button and the notification bell just beside it so that you can be notified whenever I put up a new video. Now, let's begin with those Filipinos in politics. Ramon D. Bagatsing Sr. Ramon D. Bagatsing Sr. was the five-time mayor of Manila. He was the longest-serving mayor of Manila from 1971 to 1986. He was the only Indian Filipino and the person with disability. He was actually an amputee to serve as the mayor of the city of Manila. The former mayor was born in Pafrica, Sagay, Negros Occidental to Amado Bagatsing, which is a Filipinized version of Bagat Singh. Bagat means devotee and Singh means lion. A Punjabi immigrant of the Jat tribe from the British India, and his mother, Junicia de la Raga, a native Filipina of ethnic Ilonggo descent. His father, originally named Mataram Singh, had arrived from his native Banga town near Katar Kalan in Punjab, India. Incidentally, his son Ramon Bagatsing Jr. is the current Philippine ambassador to India. Ranjit Shahani. Ranjit is a congressman and former vice governor of Pangasinan province. He was the youngest vice governor at the age of 28. His father is Dr. Ranji Gudar Singh Shahani and his mother is former Senator Dr. Leticia Ramos Shahani, the sister of former President of the Philippines Fidel Ramos. And now we go to entertainment. First, we have another Bagatsing, Raymond Bagatsing. Raymond is the grandson of Ramon D. Bagatsing Sr., the former mayor that we mentioned earlier. His father is actor Ramon Boy Bagatsing Jr., and his mother is Marilu San Diego Bagatsing. He is the older brother of actress Monina Bagatsing and actor Ramon Kino R.K. Bagatsing. Ramon Kino R.K. Bagatsing. He was born on May 9, 1988 and is a Filipino film and television actor. He is an artist of ABS-CBN and is currently managed under Star Magic. RK is most notable for the role of Arnaldo Ardiente Torrillo in the hit ABS-CBN primetime series Wildflower. Charmaine Arnaiz. Charmaine's real name is Sharmila Velasco Pribdas Shahani. She was born on November 1, 1974 in Davao City. Her father is Indian and her mother is from Rojas City, Capiz. She has a younger sister, also an actress named Bunny Paras. Her real name is Sira Bunny Velasco Pribdas Shahani. Adi Raj. Andy's real name is Adiraj Gaur. He was born in Ajmer, Rajasthan in India on August 13, 1995. He's an actor, model, singer, and a former exchange student in the Philippines. He is best known for appearing in ABS-CBN's I Love OPM, and then he later transferred to rival network GMA and now is one of the main cast of the series meant to be a romantic comedy drama. Cassandra Ponte. Cassandra's real name is Lejani Palma Anigan. She was born on March 1, 1980. Cassandra is an actress, dancer, model, and reality TV contestant. She placed third in the big night finale of Pinoy Big Brother, a reality TV show. Sam YG. Sam's real name is Samir Gogna. He is also known as his character Shibakar. He is one of the three boys night out hosts on Magic 89.9 along with Tony and Slick Rick. He was also a co-host for Itbulaga, a noontime variety show. Sam was born and raised in the Philippines, but his family are Catholics originating from Jaipur, India. He attended Ateneo de Manila University from grade school to college, where he took up legal management. Mo Twister. Mo's real name is Mohan Gumatay. This radio and television presenter in the Philippines was born on October 19, 1977. He is best known for his Good Times programs, which started as a radio show and later spun off to the television and internet. And now we go to Philippine beauties. First, we have Parul Shah. Parul Kitola Shah is the real name of Binibining Pilipinas Tourism 2014. She represented her province Pangasinan in the said pageant. She also won third runner-up and best in national costume in Miss Grand International 2015. Shah was born in Dubai and graduated from the University of the Cordillera with a BS in nursing. She is fluent in English, Tagalog, Pangasinense, Hindi, and Arabic. Venus Raj. Born Maria Venus Bayonito Raj on July 7, 1988 in Doha, Qatar, Venus is a Filipino-Indian actress, beauty queen, and television personality. Raj was most noted for being dethroned and later reinstated as Miss Philippines Universe 2010 due to her contested claim to Filipino citizenship, which she later overcame. After her title was reinstated, Raj placed as the fourth runner-up in the 59th Miss Universe pageant. Ganiel Akrishna Atun Krishnan. Ganiel is a Filipino beauty queen, actress, and sportscaster. She was crowned as 2016 Mutya ng Pilipinas Asia Pacific. She is also a courtside reporter of the UAAP's broadcast coverage of ABS-CBN Sports in Action. She was born September 9, 1994 to an Indian-Singaporean father and a Filipino mother. Sports. We have a few Filipinian professional basketball players in the Philippines. Ram Carlo T. Sharma. Born on September 20, 1980, he played for the Filipinas MX3 Kings in the ASEAN Basketball League. Kasim Mirza. Born on September 14, 1986, is the player of the Imus Bandera of the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Mirza played for the University of Santo Tomas Growling Tigers in the University Athletic Association of the Philippines for 3 seasons. He then played for the Philippine Patriots in the ASEAN Basketball League from 2009 to 2010. Hiram Bhagat Singh. Born February 18, 1985, he played for the Mahindra Enforcer of the Philippine Basketball Association. Bhagat Singh is the grandson of the former Manila Mayor Ramon Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh played college ball at the De La Salle University and suited up for the De La Salle Team Archers in the UAAP. Von Ralph Villaseñor Pesumal. He was born on February 12, 1993, an Indian-Filipino professional basketball player for the San Miguel Beermen of the Philippine Basketball Association. Pesumal played college ball for the Ateneo de Manila University and was part of 2 championships for the Blue Eagles. So there you go, folks. 16 Filipinians who proudly raises both the country's flag flying high. Do you know any other Filipinian celebrities who makes India and Philippines proud of their achievements? Do comment down below and maybe we can add them to this list. And once again, I say maraming salamat po. Thank you very much for joining me in this episode of Philippine Tales. And as always, please do remember that life is a journey and not a race. So please don't forget to have fun along the way.